What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to ranking the best players right here, but I just copy of all them by Kate. I'll try my knowledge on how good they are. Let's go through. Do it. That is a wonder. First up, my friend Lucas. I should say he is because he kinda good. I think I go to put it to the see. Yeah. First up, the next shot, play. Okay. I cannot lie, this guy is good. I 1v1 him. He's pretty good. I'm gonna in the B. Yeah. Oh, next up, this one. Beat Master. Okay. I'll put it into the next play. Okay, this one is pretty good. He's in a beat battle. Be God, yes. I'll put it there. This one. Yes, I know this guy's good. Yeah. But another. My favorite guy is Cade. Yes. He's borrowing in fan art, make 1v1 and 3v3. He could add edit and also the thumbnail. And also help me one yourself to voice reveal and hit. Thanks to the Cade. But I will draw him to yes. I know he's the best player, but he's not kinda good. But only is decent though. It's okay. Put here. I mean, now keep here. Okay. So next the mouse. I think I can put here in there. Yes. Okay. This guy, Spy Chenya, fun spy. Kinda weird. The blessed fun. This is I don't know. He's pretty good, but I'm going to use the B tier. Okay, next up me. I gotta go about go to next by the kid. Yes. Okay, I'm so bad. I already know that. Okay, this guy. I think I'm going to put in a yes. Right, next up, this I love his profile though. I subscribe to this guy. He's kinda good. Yes. I'm going to put right here. You know what? I'll rank up in here. There. This guy, he is such a good guy. He make a request songs from the other video. So subscribe this Lucas and Falls. Yes. He's good. I'm thinking right here. Yes. Would you agree this tier list? Let me know down in the comments down below. Subscribe.